Hello guys, I'm CCIE instructor of Sporto. Today it's my pleasure to introduce you the CCIE RS version 5 written exam. The CCIE exam contains two parts, written exam and practical exam. First you need to pass the written exam, then you have the chance to do the practical exam. The time to deal with the written exam is 2 hours. After pass the written exam, you need to appointment the practical exam. The time of practical exam is 8 hours. It consists of 3 parts: troubleshooting, deck, and configuration. Troubleshooting and configuration both are virtual devices to do the exam, while the deck, it's multiple choice questions. It means no devices. Let's talk about the fractional percentage of practical exam. As follows: deck troubleshooting total score is 24. You need to get at least 20 to achieve the passing score. Deck total score is 6. You need to get at least 4 to achieving the passing score. Configuration total score is 70. You need to get at least 56 to achieve the passing score. The bottom left corner of the photo is our website. If you want to know more, please come to our website to see it. This is our course service process. First, you need to buy our product and finish the payment. After that, we will send our product materials within 1 hour. It contains RDP account, use guide files, and the virtual training tools. Then you can do the process. Then you can do the practice. The practice is 100% reduction test site. If you're doing well, finally you'll pass the written exam. Here is the details about how to use RDP software. First is RDP account. We'll send a RDP account by service@sporto.net to your email, just like the right side of the picture. Second, you need to download the RDP software in materials which we sent you and install it. Now you can see the face of the RDP in this picture. Just print your account and connect it. This button. Then you can do the practice right now. First, you need to watch written server user guide, then PDF. We provide remote server 7 times 24 hours. We will update the DOM on our server directly and send notification. Please practice more time until you can pass the mock exam. The mock exam total score is 1000. There is a time limit here. You must get at least 804 to pass the mock exam. In the end, let me impress why do you choose the Sporto? Why the Sporto is the best choice for you? We at least have 5 advantages. First is fast update. The world's first, we are the world's first one to update. based on candidates' feedback around the world and experts' 15-year research on CSCO exam, we update them at first hand. When the exam is ready, we will provide valid exam questions to candidates. Second, we have passing guaranteed. If you fail the exam for your insufficient preparation or dumps updating within your service time, we guarantee we will provide free valid dump to you or issue refund as long as it meets the refund policy. Third, simulate exam practice system. It means it makes the exam more easier. We not only provide the valid questions, but also provide simulated real exam practice system for candidates to adapt yourselves to the real exam both on content and environment. Four, it costs less time, only within 1 week. Our done with concise questions that you can finish it at this time around 3 to 7 days. Practice done at forecast time, get your certification at short time. 5 is customer first. We provide 7 times 24 hours for service. Contacting us, our course consultant will inform your valid information quickly after buying our product. Our service will have lost no time in updating the dump information. If the dump is updating, service will advise you reschedule or no schedule exam until it's stable. If you encounter difficult on practice done, our teachers will assist you. Our company founded in 2003. We have 15 years CSCO training experience. Our course cover all tracks of CSCO and Huawei certification. We have standard service progress and professional supporting. Our dumps service is high accurate, fast update, pass quickly. High passing rate, we have more than 1,000 members acquire CCIE. The content of the course is closely related to the development of new technology. Thank you. Now you can see we are the best choice for you if you want to be a CCIE with high level salary. Please contact us immediately. We will give you our best service.